Hello everyone and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. So in this video we'll continue with the platformer tutorial. So let's continue for today's video. So if you if you didn't watch, so if you haven't watched platformer part 1, make sure you watch it because there's a script that you need to do here. So make sure you watch part 1. Yeah. And let's continue with the tutorial. So today we're just gonna make some different pads and also everything. Okay, so let's start. First, we're just gonna create a new sprite. I will name this lava pad. Lava pad. Okay, there we go. And let's just place our lava right over here. You can add multiple lava blocks because it's up to you now. Okay, so I'm just gonna add just one. I will name this custom 1. And we're just gonna go over here and just gonna copy the script to the sprite. And also you're just gonna locate the position of each each lava pad. So for level 1. So right now we're on level 1, so we're just gonna set a position for level 1. And yeah, so that's this position. So there we go. So now you get the position. But we haven't added any of these scripts yet, so it's not working. Okay, let's go here to player and we're just gonna add the scripts. If touching lava pad, okay, then we're just gonna drag over here and set this position. And there you go. Now you have the simple lava pad. Sometimes not trigger. There we go. Now you have a lava pad. So yeah, it's cool though. Okay, let's continue with the second pad. This second pad, make it let's make it bouncy pad. First, let's create a new level because I'm running out of space. So yeah, we're just gonna here water drop this whole thing. Select this, and this will be 2. There we go. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So there we go. I'm done with some let's say simple level to test the bounce pad. So add a new sprite once again. Let's say this one is a bounce. Pad. Okay, there we go. And I'm just gonna use I think I'll use purple with this one. Right now you have 2 of these. Also, if you don't want the lava pad or other pads to appear here, you can go to the pad and then after that duplicate if level equal 2. We just gonna hide. Also, I forgot show. But first, we don't know how, we didn't add the level switching script. So let's add it. our script right over here. Forever if then x position. So if x position equals to 250, let's say 448, you're just going to change the level by 1. And that means it would change the level right over here. Okay, what happened? So let's edit it to 49, 249 here. So it didn't change. There we go. But we didn't set a position. So the position might be over here. Or maybe I'm just gonna use the same position as this one. Let's go. And there you have it. Now I change levels and hold on. Now it's level 2. Now this is perfect. Okay, let's continue with the bounce pad. Also duplicate this and also duplicate this one too. So level 2 will be show and this one will be hide. There we go. And go to player once again. Duplicate this and if it's touching bounce pad, we use set y velocity by let's use 25. Let's try that out. There we go. So now it's perfect. No, now it's bouncing around. Also, yeah. There you have it. A bounce pad. And also, yeah. We got a bounce pad, but I'm just gonna reposition one right over here. And then there we go. And then another pad, let's create a new level for this pad. Just gonna turn it down right over here. Okay, then we're just gonna create this pad, a cat. How is that? Okay, so it's just like, let's say moving, say it's a conveyor pad. There we go. Then you put, let's use orange. Okay, then there's the level 3 now. So once again, cover, you know, right over here and, wait, hold on. Then copy this thing once again and copy this. I'm just gonna use it to appear, in level 3. Also, I forgot that you need to specify. Oh my god. You need to, like, let's say tells all the script that which level it will appear. You need to tell all of them. So it might take a long time, but yeah, it's still better. It's better. So let's test it out. Let's set a position and now you got it. And now you got a conveyor, pad right now. I have a conveyor pad, but I didn't add any script yet. Let's go and add the script. Once again, and we've had send. X velocity by, you're just gonna do 5. Let's try it out. Oh, there you go. It's working. Okay, now you got like, all the guys all about the platformer game now. So yeah, if you want to make more level, you can do like, let's say, duplicate levels and specify the level where it's gonna spawn, what level it's gonna spawn, and what level gonna hide the sprite. So let's do it once again. Okay, there we go. And now you got this lava pad working. Wait, the bounce pad should be higher. Just a little bit right over here, and there we go. There you go. Now that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video that I post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.